How to fix ASB mobile app not working. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Your problem should be fixed. If not, try updating the app. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for ASB Mobile. Tap on the app ASB Mobile Banking. If you see the option for update, tap on it. After the update is completed, all the bugs will be fixed. Your application should start working. If not, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for ASB Mobile and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now the app should start working. If not, try uninstalling the application and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. After that, the app should start working. If the application still does not work, there might be some glitch in the device itself. Restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the restart is completed, the application should start working. Like this, you can fix ASB mobile app not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.